In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture on WhatsApp Web. It's a simple process that will allow you to refresh your online persona with just a few clicks. So, whether you're pumped about a recent trip or just want to update your image with something new, let's walk through this together step by step. First, let's make sure you're logged into WhatsApp Web on your computer. If you're not sure how to do this, simply head over to web.whatsapp.com on your browser and scan the QR code using the WhatsApp app on your phone. You'll want to keep your phone connected to ensure that the web version stays synced. Once you're logged in and ready, glance towards the bottom left corner of your WhatsApp web interface. Here, you'll see your profile icon. Click on this icon and a small drop-down menu will appear. Within this menu, you'll notice several options related to your account settings. What we need to do is click on Profile. This will open up your profile page, allowing you to access more detailed settings specifically related to your account. Now that you're on your profile page, you will see your current profile picture displayed. Click on the profile picture itself. This is going to bring up a window where you can modify your image. If you've been thinking about changing your profile picture for a while, this is your chance to choose something that represents you the way you want. Moving forward, look for the option that says Upload. Click on this and a file dialog box will appear, letting you navigate through your computer's folders. If you've prepared your new profile picture in advance, this is a good time to locate it. Remember that WhatsApp typically supports common image file types such as JPEG and PNG. Try to choose a photo that is clear and makes you feel good about your online presence. Once you've found the perfect image, select it and hit Open. The image will upload and you'll see a preview allowing you to make minor adjustments if necessary. You have the chance to crop the image or zoom in so that it fits within WhatsApp's circular profile frame just the way you like it. A good tip is to ensure your face or the focal point of the image is centered for the best visual result. When you're satisfied with the preview, confirm your selection. The new image should now be visible in your profile, and it will also appear to your contacts whenever they chat with you. And there you have it. A refreshed profile picture that reflects who you are right now. That's it for changing your profile picture on WhatsApp Web. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more simple tech tips.